Have you ever watched a film and wondered how they created those stunning visuals? From fantastical creatures to breathtaking landscapes, the magic we see on screen often stems from a process called compositing. Compositing is the art of seamlessly blending multiple images or elements to create a final, cohesive shot. Compositing is an essential part of post-production. Post-production is the stage in filmmaking where all the pieces of the puzzle come together. It's where raw footage is transformed into a polished final product. Think of it as the editing room where the story truly comes to life. Compositing plays a vital role in this process, allowing filmmakers to create illusions, enhance realism, and transport audiences to other worlds. Whether it's adding a background, inserting computer-generated imagery, or creating special effects, compositing is the invisible hand that shapes our cinematic experiences. In essence, compositing is the art of digital illusion, seamlessly blending reality and imagination to create breathtaking visuals. Compositing is like digital magic, taking different elements and merging them into one believable image. Imagine taking a picture of an actor in a studio and then placing them onto the bustling streets of Tokyo. That's compositing in action. It's about combining different visual elements, whether they are live action footage, still images, or three-dimensional models, to create a final image that looks realistic and believable. This process involves various techniques such as masking, keying, tracking, and color correction. Artists use these tools to cut out specific parts of an image, remove backgrounds, match colors and lighting, and create smooth transitions between different elements. The beauty of compositing lies in its ability to deceive the eye and transport viewers to new worlds and impossible scenarios. It allows filmmakers to create stunning visuals that would be impossible or too expensive to achieve with traditional filming techniques. Compositing isn't limited to just one dimension. It encompasses a range of techniques, each with its own set of applications and complexities. Two-dimensional compositing, the most basic form, involves layering two-dimensional elements such as images and text on top of each other. Think of it like creating a collage where you cut out pictures from magazines and glue them onto a background. 2.5-dimensional compositing takes things a step further by introducing the illusion of depth. This technique uses techniques like camera movement and depth maps to make two-dimensional elements appear three-dimensional. Imagine adding shadows and perspective to your collage, making it look more realistic. Three-dimensional compositing, the most complex form, involves integrating three-dimensional objects, characters, and environments into live-action footage. This requires advanced software and a deep understanding of three-dimensional modeling, lighting, and rendering. Think of blockbuster films with CGI characters and environments, where the line between real and virtual becomes blurred. Post-production is where the magic truly happens. It is a multifaceted process that transforms raw footage into a captivating story. It's not just about assembling clips, it's about crafting a narrative, enhancing visuals, and creating an immersive experience for the audience. Imagine it as a well-oiled machine, where each cog plays a crucial role in the final output. The post-production process typically involves several key steps. Editing. This is where the story is assembled. Editors meticulously review footage, select the best takes, and arrange them in a logical sequence to create a cohesive narrative flow. Visual effects. From creating explosions and creatures to generating entire environments, VFX artists work their magic to add elements that enhance the realism or fantasy of the story. Sound design. Sound design is about creating the auditory landscape of the film. This includes adding sound effects, dialogue, and music to enhance the emotional impact and realism of the visuals. Music composition. The score sets the tone and mood, heightening emotions and creating a more immersive experience for the audience. Color grading. Color grading is the process of adjusting the colors of the footage to achieve a specific look and feel. Each stage requires specialized skills and software, and they all work together to shape the final product.